High protein meals don't have to be boring. Not only are they packed with nutrients, but they're also delicious and full of flavor. Whether you love seafood, chicken, or plant-based meals, I've got you covered. Today we're making 3 vital protein bowls that are colorful, filling, and unbelievably delicious. Welcome back to Her Quiet Hours, lovelies. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my weekly posts. We'll start with the salmon, shrimp, and rice bowl. And you're gonna cook your preferred rice until fluffy. Keep it warm. Next, in a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mayo. I use light mayo, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. I'm going to add some lemon juice and give that a good stir. Give it a mix and then set it aside for later. Next, we'll add butter or sesame oil into a skillet. We'll then add the salmon pieces one at a time. I didn't have enough salmon at hand, so I added shrimp as well. We'll then season with salt. I will add in some tablespoon of soy sauce. We'll give it a good mix until everything is well coated. You want it to be crispy, so sear it until it's crispy. Ensure both sides are cooked. Just like this. We'll remove and set aside, and then on the same pan you'll add about 2 cups of chopped spinach and lightly saute with we'll then season with pepper, then remove from heat. To assemble the bowl, we'll start with the rice. You can use whatever rice you have, then saute the sauteed spinach. Then we'll add in followed by the sauteed salmon and shrimp, and then we'll add in a slice of avocado. This is optional, and then we'll drizzle with our spicy mayo. The crispy salmon with spicy mayo is the perfect balance of heat and creaminess. It's so good. This bowl is protein packed and will be ready in under 20 minutes. And it's great for light lunch ideas as well as dinners. So give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Next, we'll make the chickpea and egg veggie bowl. Start by adding half a cup of brown basmati rice, 1 cup of water, salt to taste, coconut oil or butter, cardamom pods, and a few cloves. We'll bring this to a boil and turn heat to the way, setting and cover. Cook for about 20 minutes until light and fluffy. To a small bowl or jar, we'll add 8 cup of olive oil, 8 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of honey. We'll add in black pepper to taste and some salt to taste as well. And then we'll give this a good mix. And then we'll set this aside. In a small bowl, add in 1 can of minced chickpeas, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt to taste, add in 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and give that a good mix. Next, we'll transfer the chickpea into a baking tray. We'll roast for 15 minutes at 375 degrees. Next, we'll cook eggs to preferred texture, 6 minutes in boiling water for a softer egg, and transfer to a bowl of cold water to cool and stop cooking. Next, we'll remove spices from the cooked rice. assemble by starting with the brown rice as our base, followed by the spinach. We'll then add in our roasted chickpeas and the sliced avocado, some chopped or sliced onions and tomatoes, and then peel our eggs and drop it in there. We'll then drizzle with the dressing and serve. Our last item is chicken and quinoa power bowl. To a pot, we'll add 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of water, some salt to taste, butter. I will bring to a boil, cover and simmer for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, we'll peel our sweet potatoes. And then we'll chop it into bite-sized cubes. We'll now season with salt. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. I have a teaspoon paprika. Give that a mix well to combine, and then transfer it to our baked tray. We'll air fry or bake it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Meanwhile, make the sauce by adding a 1/3 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup light mayo to a small bowl. I will add in a clove of minced garlic, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. We'll give that a mix to combine. Our potatoes are ready at this point. We'll remove and set aside for later. We'll then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a skillet, followed by the sliced chicken pieces. I used chicken thighs for this. If you want, you could use chicken breast. We'll sear until brown. We'll then season with salt to taste. 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. Of course, this is optional, and then we'll give that a good stir. And our chicken is ready, golden, brown and crispy. We'll assemble the bowl by starting with the cooked quinoa. Substitute with rice if you prefer. We'll add in the roasted sweet potatoes, followed by the chopped lettuce. We'll add in the cooked chicken, some chopped tomatoes again, and chopped onions, or you can slice this if you want, and then drizzle with the creamy sauce. And there you go. Delicious, creamy, healthy and light dish that can be enjoyed for both lunch or dinner. Subscribe and like for more delicious healthy recipes. Until next time, bye.